Welcome back to I'm Out Traveling. My name is Raul and today we are in St. Augustine, Florida for Nights of Lights. A few months ago we brought you to St. Augustine for the top 15 things to do, and tonight we're back. And I brought a couple of my friends. I got Julian, Con, and Romeo. What are you doing over there, Romeo? Alright, so St. Augustine Nights of Lights is rated one of the top 10 best places to visit by National Geographic. If you don't believe me, check it out. But for now, enjoy the ride and come along as we show you Nights of Lights.
Starting St. Augustine.
Let's go over two things: parking and whether the Nights of Lights is a free event. So parking is absolutely free. However, if you can't find free parking, which you probably won't be able to, you're gonna have to go to a parking garage and pay $15 per car. I'll put it right here on the display, but it's pretty much right next to the visitor center. Now, is the Nights of Lights a free event? It is a free event. You could definitely come here 100% and not pay a dime. If you do want to experience it the best way possible, I recommend you take a trolley tour. Trolley tours right now, because of COVID, are running $60 per row. So if you have one person, it's $60, up to 4 people.
Pizza. Where are we gonna eat pizza at?
Pizza time.
Pizza time.
Pizza time.
Yeah.
Ranked the number 2
Number
pizza
2 pizza.
in the United States,
According to?
according to some writing on his window. I'll be the judge of that.
So what kind of pizza you gonna get, Romeo?
Pepperoni.
It's a pepperoni. Yeah. Hey, what about you, Julia? No? It's a meatball. Hey, okay.
You want? Julian approves. Romeo? There's a gun, and you approve of the pizza time. Can we see him now? Oh, you can kind of see a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Bro, yo, the lights are
Yeah.
snowflakes.
This is how I roll.
Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. So a couple nights ago, we flew over St. Augustine's Nights of Lights, and this was the pilot right here.
How you doing, guys?
So what do you got to say about Nights of Lights and flying over here?
So, although looking at the lights from up above, flying on top of them was amazing. Even coming and looking at them in person was absolutely worth it.
Yeah.
They're beautiful, and you
How
guys
high,
take your
how high
time.
would you say we flew?
We flew 1,000 feet over the
I
lights.
mean, you could literally touch them. Not really, but it felt like it.
Yeah.
So if you're in Jackson or St. Augustine, I'm going to put Julian's Instagram name right here somewhere. Hit him up if you need a pilot.
Guys, if you need tour.
Feliz Navidad. And that pretty much wraps up our night here in St. Augustine for the Nights of Lights tour. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Do me a favor, hit like and smash that penguin to stay up to date with all our videos. See you guys on the next one. Thank you. Seriously, this is my favorite spot for ice cream here in St. Augustine. Mayday Ice Cream. And I promise you, they are not paying me for this.
All I gotta say is, it's absolutely amazing.
By National Geographic. And that's why we have Yo, I'm trying to do an intro here. We're gonna show you. Let me take